SPC flooring is composed of substrate layer, wear resistant layer, color film layer, UV layer, etc. PVC and natural stone powder, the main raw materials of base material layer, are non-toxic and environmental friendly renewable resources. The finished SPC floor is fire-proof, moisture-proof, anti-skid mildew, proof, tough and wear resistant. With good decoration effect, convenient installation, and simple maintenance, it is a high-quality environmental protection floor decoration material. SPC flooring combines the strength of stone and the beauty of click. Designed to retain a luxurious look for decades. It is also a breeze to install, easy to clean and maintain, providing realistic three-dimensional replication of natural materials. It is not susceptible to temperature-related expansions and contractions, as with other vinyl floorings. SPC click is composed of the following 5 layers. First layer, special PUR UV coating. Second layer, wear layer. Third layer, exceptionally realistic HD printed. Fourth layer, SPC structure. Fifth layer, LXP foam pad embosses or plain. Through the above introduction, I believe you have a deep understanding of the structure and advantages of SPC flooring. Its multi-layer design not only provides exceptional durability and stability, but also brings beauty and comfort to your home or commercial space.